The third Google Sites tutorial is changing the theme. It is very easy to customize your Google site. Once you have created your pages and created your initial site, you're going to come over here to Themes. You can keep it simple and then change the background color as well as the font. Or you can choose from one of these themes. You simply pick the one that you like the best, change the font style. If you want to get really creative, you can add your own colors. Then, if you would like to change the background image, you can either upload your own or select one of the many images that Google has. You can also change the banner type. You can make it large, you can make it simply a title, or you can have the nice little background. Once you have done that, I always like to just click on everything else and make sure that it is to my liking. For example, the pre-algebra, that seems the heavy font. I'm not really a big fan of that. So I changed it back. I think it looks better. And worst case, if you think you've messed it up and you've gone too far down a rabbit hole designing your theme, you just hit this handy reset button and it resets for you. So there you go. Have fun creating your website theme.